In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically collect customer reviews with GoHighLevel. We're going to build a simple automation that sends review requests to your customers after a specific event, like when a payment comes in. By the end, you'll have a workflow that follows up for you without you having to remember to send anything manually. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to the Launchpad for your location. From there, look for the automation section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where all your workflows live. On the automations page, click on Create Workflow. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control over how and when review requests are sent. At the top of the workflow builder, click on the workflow name field and give it a clear, descriptive name, like Automatic Review Requests. Then type that name in and save it so you can easily find it later among your other workflows. Now we'll define what actually triggers this workflow. Click on Add New Trigger. In the list of available triggers, choose Payment Received, or whichever event makes the most sense for your business, such as an appointment completed. This ensures review requests only go out after a real interaction. Once you've selected it, click Save Trigger. Next, we'll add a short delay before sending the first review request, so it doesn't go out instantly. Click the plus icon above End to add an action, then search for Wait and select it. Open the dropdown where it shows minutes and choose whether the wait should be in minutes, hours, or days. Then type in the number for the delay, for example, 1 day after payment. Click Save Action. After this waiting period, click Add Action again. Search for Send Review Request and select it. In the Review Type dropdown, choose how you want the review request sent, email, SMS, or WhatsApp, depending on how you set things up in your reputation settings. Then click Save Action. To send a gentle follow-up if they don't respond, we'll repeat that pattern. Click Add Action, choose another wait, set your preferred number and time unit again, and save. Then click Add Action once more, select Send Review Request, choose the review type again, and click Save Action. When your workflow is ready, you can click Test Workflow to make sure everything behaves as expected. Finally, switch the workflow from draft to published using the toggle, and then click Save. Your GoHighLevel account will now automatically collect customer reviews for you.